Today I will show you how to add a logo on Squarespace, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to add a logo, you need to ensure that the format of the logo is PNG for a professional look where header's background colors show through. And then the size also should be at least 750 pixels wide or large, as it's better to start with a large image and resize it down to avoid pixelation. Now, for you to add a logo, what you're going to do is you're going to log into your Squarespace account. You're going to enter into the website that you want to add a logo for. On the left sidebar, you're going to click on website. Now, on the website, you're going to go to pages. You're going to go to the home page, and after clicking on the home page, there's an edit on the right side of the previewed website. You're going to click on edit. Now, on the edit, you're going to click on edit site header, and once you click on it, the block that says your site's title, you see it says site title and logo. You're going to click on it, and you're going to click on this pencil for editing the site title and logo. Now, you're going to set your title here, and then it's going to say you're going to set the title as your company's name, and then you're going to add logo to it. Now, this is going to serve as an alternate text for when the image doesn't load, and you're going to click here to add your PNG file for the site logo. If you do not have a site logo yet, you can also select from library, and once you select from the library, we're going to choose this and we're going to add it to our site logo. You have the option here to add the mobile logo, and once you click on it, you can also add the mobile logo for the mobile display of the website. You can upload or select from the library, and here you can adjust the logo height, and you can adjust the max logo height for mobile also. And once you're done, you click on save, and just like that, you've been able to add logo on Squarespace. Now, that's how you add a logo on Squarespace, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.